Hi, Pastor Tom here with a little website review for you. Stepbible.org. Great little site. I like it for four reasons. One, it has a lot of different versions, which are helpful for comparing translations. So when you're looking at the text, you can tell the differences that are taking place, how different translators handle the biblical text. It's also good for cross-referencing, aka canonical context. So you pick up on a theme and trace it in different areas in the Bible because of one of the works that they have called Treasury of Scripture Knowledge. And that leads us into the fact they have many commentaries, 4 or 5 of them that I use myself on a regular basis. It's also good for the people who are into inductive Bible study for repetition. It's easy to see words that are repeated in a single chapter. And so for those reasons, I want to review this site with you quickly. Try to keep this relatively brief, and I think you'll see the benefit of this site. So let me share it with you now. Okay, so here we are. I'll type in stepbible.org. That brings us to our interface here that defaults to ESV. And this is where some other things will be highlighted eventually, but so click right here on ESV and look at all these different translations, NIV, NASV, the Berean Bible, and then you come down here. There's just so many. Look at all these translations. These are just the ones in English. I don't know that they have many in other languages, but they have quite a few. And you can open more than one at a time. So if we do this, well, that didn't work, but it's supposed to. So let's try the NASB and just click OK. And there we have 2 versions for each verse. So ESV, NASB, and so forth. You can have more than that. You can arrange them the way you want them. When you click on this tab right here for version, then notice the tab right here for commentary. And if you click on that, look at all these commentaries down here. And the same thing, you can have more than one open at once, although it takes a lot of space. The ones that I recommend, that I use regularly, are Barnes. He's a Princeton guy from the late 1800s. A little on the Calvinist side, but not too much. And then Adam Clark. He is from the 1700s, outstanding Greek and Hebrew scholar, contemporary John Wesley. His insights are very good. Jameson Fawcett Brown, more of a recent commentary, good general all-around commentary. Colin Delick are Old Testament scholars, and you get a little lost reading all the Hebrew jargon, but if you kind of skim it, you'll get the point of what they're saying. I refer to them regularly. Robertson's Word Pictures is the Greek right here. And so they got a little bit there. Some other websites have it better, but they've got it here. If you're doing something in the Psalms, you got to go to Treasure of David. I've got a 3-volume set right here that I purchased. I like to have that copy, plus I bought it before computers, and believe it or not, and still use it. You get it here for free. And the other is Treasury of Scripture Knowledge. That'll help you with cross-referencing, context, and so forth. So you click on that, just kind of play around with it. You'll get the idea of what's taking place there. But see, if you highlight a word like God, then it brings up what it says in the Hebrew or the Greek, and it'll show you every time that that word appears in the chapter. And then it pulls it up over here what the word is, how many times in the Bible, different ways it's translated. It's a great little site. I think you'll enjoy it. I think it'll be a benefit for your personal Bible study. I highly recommend it. I use it from time to time myself. This has been Pastor Tom. Thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember to get into the Word. Read the text, talk about the text, apply the text to life. Bye.